YouTube fans? This is Zuby Masters returning for my Let's Play of Spyro Reignited Trilogy. We're now heading over to Sunny Beach. Let's get this started. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! That's gotta hurt. Ooh! Not as much as that. Run away, little turtles! Run! Hi, Spyro. It's a good thing you're here. If you can help shepherd these baby turtles over there to safety, I'll be mighty grateful. Alright. To get started, you might want to move this guy over to the button over there so you can help the children get across. And you through the gate as well. A lot of the treasure will be underwater, so be mindful of that. There's also some more right over here. You gotta jump on the turtle back. Be careful with that guy. You can send the shock. He'll shock you. Getting me. Yeah, that, I mean, you gotta take out a dinner tube first, then so. Right then, there we go. Now get the turtle over here moving. Same thing. This one up here. Oh no, you don't. You gotta go over there. Don't worry, he'll stay in that position once you get him over there. Shell shot. Now the power up for this level is a super fire. Or you can shoot fireballs out of your mouth, Spyro. Not half. One more. Go. Yeah. The water workers have captured most of our baby turtles. The boxes they put them in are incredibly strong. With a more powerful flame attack, maybe you could break open the boxes and release them. Alright, doesn't sound too hard. Alright, all I gotta do now is to use this flame. Just shoot fire as you normally would. For this one, you have to open the gate and then use your fireballs in a ranged attack. Like that. There we go. Now you want to backtrack over here. I think I remember that there being a wall there. I could be mistaken. There we go. There should be one more box all the way over here. I think once you go underwater, they turn into like torpedoes or something. All right then. That takes care of there. There's one more to go. Come on. There we go. Now you might need to learn how to climb first before you can get the rest of these gems and orbs. Orbs. Most of that can be found in the next world, the Autumn Plains. Alright, get the stupid plane one more time. And save the last set of baby turtles. Impressive. Please take this sacred thingamajig as a token of our everlasting gratitude. Huh. Thanks for the orb. Huh, I almost forgot that gem down there. Oh well, I was gonna have to come back anyway. Go back over there. There we go. Now you kids are to safety. There we go.
Hello, young one. Don't
worry. Thank you, young dragon. The baby turtles will be safe up here. Please, take this talisman as a token of our gratitude. And it doesn't take much to impress these people. Alright. Sunny Beach talisman is ours. Now, time to return home. Summertime fun. Ooh! Belly flop. Oh, he's alright. Over 1,300 gems. Now we're off to Hurricano. A stormy, frightening place. Now you better be careful around here. Uh-oh. Run away, little guy. Oh, that was not nice to do. We've always had trouble with the gear grinders, but now they've set up force fields to separate us. If you can find diodes, you can use them to turn off the force field. Alright then. I think there's a dual around here somewhere, but my eyesight wasn't what it used to be. Now, would be these things right here. They almost resemble vacuum tubes. Tubes for a computer. Yeah, there's a couple more jewels around here. There they are. Oh. Alright. Let's take out this guy. Excuse me on that. Just had lunch. There we go. Looks like it. There we go. That's another force field down. And here's the third one. See you later, gear grinder. Man, that's got hurt. Now over here is a challenge. These gear grinder thieves keep taking our lightning stones. If you can replace them all and activate our generator, I'll be very grateful. Alright, doesn't sound so difficult. Just gotta take out these buggers. There's being on my way. There we go. But then these are the lightning stones. You do it by picking it up and spitting it out into one of these generators right here. Oh, there's another one. So you think it's fun to mess with electricity, huh? We're about to get you. It's Spyro. Oh, there you are. Four. Need to do this 6 more times, and then we'll get our next orb. Get back here. Electricity is not a toy. Right then. Need to take out 4 more now. 2 more. Cut them off at the pass. There we go. Now all you need to do is just return these lightning stones back to their original place, which is anywhere in fact. Right there. Just a few more. That orb is ours. There we go. Just need to find one more. Where are you hiding? Oh, there's ours. Last one. There we go. I activated the gem. Thank you, Spyro. I found this shiny thing mixed up with our lightning stones. Please take it as a reward. Alright, I'll do that. And that makes orb number 13. Now we got another supercharge right here. But we need to get a few more spirit particles first. There we go. It's 15, 16, 17, 18. There we go. Take care of that. Go. Take care of the treasure first. I'm gonna take care of this windmill. Oh, slow down this turbine. Slowing down those fans is important for our next challenge. There we go. Now we have to take care of this one over here to even start the challenge. Ah, that's right. I had to get tricky with this one. And boom! Spyro, don't see the big building over there? The gear grinders are using it to steal our electricity. Please help us by sitting down the machinery inside. Glide over to the factory. Okay then, that shouldn't be too difficult. Especially now since I've slowed down these fans. Alright then. Alright. Spyro, you've done well so far. You can have this little trinket for good luck. If you have any questions about shutting down the factory, just ask me. Sweet. Orb number 14. Tricky. You'll have to use your hover maneuver to make them. Press the X button during a glide to hover and get extra height. Remember to press the X button when you're very close to the windmill, or you won't make it. Alright. Thanks. Oh, there we go. There we go. Go. Spyro, help! The switch to turn off the gear grinder factory is in that room, but it's awfully noisy in there. Alright then. Let's shut it off. Not shutting down the factory. Here, I found this stuck between the gears. You can have it if you want. Alright. That is all the orbs of this level. Alright then, there we go. There's 30 more. Setting there and here. Sweet fibers. There we go. All 400. Thank you, Spyro. You deactivated all the electric barriers. We've been guarding this talisman from the gear grinders. Please take it as a reward. Oh, alright then. Thanks for that. Now returning home. Oh, it's another one of those doodles. Huh? Ooh, little payback action. Huh. One of them was supposed to break their glasses in that animation. Huh, guess they took it out. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you soon.